Hello everyone, welcome to the Sankalp Study Success, and in this session I'm going to explain another example to find out the transitive closure by using Warshall algorithm. Okay, if you have any doubts, just message me Divya ma'am 2020@gmail.com, or else you can also directly message at Telegram at the Sankalp Study Success. Okay, if you have any doubts only, and the example will be, so here a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just see the example here. And r equal to, the relation is x minus y equal to 2. See the example here. A equal to 1 2 3 5. How you will get the question is transitive closure. Find the transitive closure r by Warshall's algorithm, where a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and r equal to mod of x minus y equal to 2. Okay, so this is our relation. From this relation we need to find out the elements of the r value. I will tell you how we have to find out these elements. Okay, so now this is our relation, right? Mod of x minus y equal to 2. So from this relation we have to find out the elements of the r value. How we will get here? What is the condition? X minus y equal to 2. That mod of x minus y. So take any elements 1 to 6. How many elements we have? 6 elements we have in the element set A. So take 1 comma 2. 1 minus 2 is 1 minus 2 will get 2 value. No, 1 minus 2 is 1, right? Right. Next 1 comma 3. 1 minus 3 is 1 minus 3 is 2. Yes, minus 2, but mod is there. So minus 2 mod, it means plus or minus will get plus value only. So minus 2 will change to 2 and it is equal to. So the first element will be 1 comma 3. Okay, now check 1 4. 1 minus 4 is 2. No, it is 3. And 1 minus 5 is 2. No. 1 minus 6 is 2. No. Now come to the next element 2. 2 comma 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. For every element we have to check 2 1 2 3 2 4 2 6 2 5. Okay, similarly 3 1 3 2 3 4 3 5 3 6 and 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 6. Okay, so where is this condition is satisfied? We have to write that element. So 3 1. Yes, 3 comma 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. Next 3 minus 2 is 1. No. Next 3 minus 4 is 1. No. 3 minus 5 is 2. Yes. 3 comma 5 is 2. Right? 3 minus 5. 5 lonchi 3 ni తీసివేసేస్తే మనకి 2 నే వస్తుంది. Okay, 3 minus 5 is 2. And next is 3 minus 6 is 2. No. Now come to the next element 4. Is 4 minus 1 is 2? No. 4 minus 2, 1? Yes, 4 minus 2 is 2. Right. And next 4 minus 3 is 1? No. Next 4 minus 5 is 2? No. 4 minus 6 is 2? Yes. 4 minus 6 is 2. Now come to the next element 5. 5 minus 1, not 2. 5 minus 2, not 2. 5 minus 3, yes, 5 minus 3, 2. And next 5 minus 4 is not 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 6, 1. Okay. Next come to the next element 6. 6 minus 1 is 2? No. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 6 నుంచి 2 తీస్తే మనకి ఏంటి వస్తుంది? 4 వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ 6 minus 4. The condition is satisfied at 6 minus 4. Because 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, 6 minus 5 also we will get 1 only. So for 6 minus 6 5 also it does not satisfy the condition. So right ma 1 3 3 1 3 5 5 3 and 4 2, and we also have 2 4, right? 2 4. I think I forget 2 4. 2 minus 4. Also we have the element, right? 4 2 2 4 4 6 6 4. So these many elements we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 elements we have in relation R. So this is our relation. From this relation we have to find out transitive closure. Okay, so from this relation we find these elements. Now what we have to do? We have to write first relational matrix, that is MR, that is W0. Okay, so how many elements we have ma? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Next 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So here this is 1 1 position, and this is 1 2 position, and this is 1 3 position, and this is 1 4, and this is 1 5, and this is 1 6 position. Okay, Now this is a 2 1 position, and this is 2 2 position, and this is 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. So like this you have to check. In examination you need not write this 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay, examiner will know this matrix values. Okay, no need to write this matrix. For your understanding, for your better understanding, I write like this. Okay, so no need to write. Here also I give the values directly. So here I'm going to give values directly here, ma. So 1 comma 3 we have. So 1 comma 3, where is the position? This position is 1 comma 3. So here we need to put 1. And next one 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1, third row, first column means this position. Here we need to 1. And 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 means this position. Okay. And is 1 comma 1 is existing? No. So 0. Is 1 comma 2 existing? No. 1 comma 4? No. 1 comma 5? 0. 1 comma 6? No. So like this. 2 comma 1 is existing? No. 2 comma 2 existing? No. 2 comma 3 existing? No. Is 2 comma 4 existing? Yes, 2 comma 4 is there. So here you need to put 1. 2 comma 5 is existing? No. So 0. 2 comma 6 existing? No. 0. Next 3 comma 2 is there? 3 comma 2 is element is there? No. So you need to insert 0. 3 comma 3 0 also not there. 3 comma 4 is not there, and 6 0 no. And 4 1? No. 4 2, yes, we have the 4 2 element. So we need to insert 1 here. And we don't have 4 3. We don't have 4 4. 4 5. And 4 6 we have, right? 4 6 we have. So you need to insert 1 here. And next thing, 5 1 is not there. 5 2 is there. 5 2 is there. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we don't have 5 2. So 0 here. And 5 3 is there. Yes, 5 3 is there. Here we have the element 5 3. 5 3. Right? So 1. And 5 4 we don't have. 5 5 we don't have. 5 6 we don't have. And 6 1 we don't have. 6 2 also we don't have. And we have only 6 4. And remaining all zeros. Okay? Why to waste the time? Right? So here this is our W0, the first Warshall matrix, okay, relational matrix. Now from this W0 we have to find out W1, okay. W1 is find out from W0. How we can find out? We have to check first row and first column and where it is the 1 value, okay. So I'm not going to write this matrix again. I directly draw here. What we have to do? We have to check first column and first row. Okay. This is first row. Right. So, where is the value we have? 1. Check the first column. C1. C1. Where is the 1 value? Here we have the 1 value now. So, what is the position of the 1 here? 3. So, 3. That is R3. Okay. And next check the row 1. Row 1. What is the row 1? Row 1, where is the 1 value? Here we have the 1 value. Right. So that is the third position. So here 3. So from these two, what is our new pair ma? C1 R1 nunchi 3 3 3 ochindi. So that is 3 comma 3. Now we have to insert 1 at 3 comma 3 position. That is where it is? This position. In this position, we have to insert 1 and remaining all are common. Just to copy all the entries into W1. Okay, I'm going to write here W1. This is our new matrix from W0. Right, 0 0 1 0 0 0. We have only one new entry here, that is 3 comma 3. So we need to insert 1 here only. Just remaining all the elements, just to copy all the elements. Okay, 0 0 0 1 0 0 and next one 1 0. Here we have to insert 1. Right, this is 3 3. The position is 3 3. And next 0 1 0. And next 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 and next is fifth row 0 0 1 second and 0 0 0 and next we have 0 0 0 and 1 0 0. Okay, so this is our W1. Now from this W1 we have to find out W2, right? That this is our first step. Okay. And next second step, what we have to do? Second step, step 2, from this W1 we have to find out W2. Okay. Now for W2 what we have to check? second row, second column, second row, second column. So this is our second row, right? Second row. Now this is our second column. Now check the entries where is the one value at second row and second column. Where is the one values, ma? So C2, that is at C2, second column, where is the one value? Here one value. So what is the position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position. So at fourth position, we have the one value in column, second column. And next, check the second row, R2 value. Second row, where is the one value? Here we have the one value, right? So what is the position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position. Here also I am not writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write, okay? So at fourth position we have the one value. So here R2 value also 4. Okay. From these two, what is the new pair now? 4, 4. Now where we have to insert the 1? At 4, 4 position. That is this position. In this position we have to insert 1. Okay. And remaining all the entries are common. Okay. Now our new Warshall set, that is W2, will be, what will be the answer? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, only new entry 4, 4. Only one element is there. Okay, just you need to insert 1 at 0, 0 position. 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And the fourth row, this one, fourth row, 0, 1, 0. Here we need to insert 1 because this is the position 4, 4. So here you need to insert 1 and remaining all entries will be common. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and the remaining of the last row 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now this is our W2. Okay. And next third step, what we have to do? Third step, we have to check third row, third column. Okay. We have to check third row, third column. That means we need to find out W3 from W2. So we need to find out W3 from W2. For this, what we have to check? W3 means third row, third column. Okay. This is third row and this is third column. Now check where is the ones. Okay. So the new entry will be, now third column, where is the one values? Here we have the one value and here we have the one value, here we have the one value. So what are the values? This position is first position, right? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ma. Okay. So what is the position? First position. So in column 3 we have the first position one value and third position also we have the 1 and fifth position also we have the 1. Okay. And row 3, where is the one values? Where is the one values? Here we have the one value, here we have the one value and here we have the one value. So this position is 1 and this position is 3 and this position is 4, 5. Okay. So here what we get? 1, 3, 5. Okay. So here 1, 3, 5 and the row 3 also, this position is first position and this position is third position and this position is fifth position. Okay. So from these two, what will be the new entries ma? 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. Just simple. Okay. Don't be confused. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. And the next step 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Okay. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. And next 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. Okay. So now we have to insert 1 at these positions. Okay, where is the 1, 1? This is the 1, 1 position. So here we need to insert 1. Where is 1, 3? This is the 1, 3. 1, 3 already 1 is there. So no need to write again. Okay, 1, 5. This is the 1, 5 position. So in this position we have to insert 1 value. Okay, likewise you need to insert 1 at these positions. So from this, what we get ma? W3 equal to, where is the position? 1, 1. That means this position we have to insert 1. And next 1, 2 is not there, so 0. 1, 3 already 1 is there and next 1, 4 is not there. 1, 5 we have element, new entry. So here we need to insert 1 and 0. Okay. And next 3, 1. So 2 rows is common because we don't have a 2 element. 2 to start an element say we leave kabatti, just to keep all the values like this. And next 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. 3, 1 means here 1 is already there. So write it again. And 3 to 0 here, 3 to 0, and 3 1 or 3 3 also there, and 3 5 is also there. So just keep all the things. Done. Fourth row we don't have any changes, so 0 1 0 1 0 1, and fifth row we have 5 1 and 5 3 and 5 5. Okay, and remaining 0, and this one is 0 and this one 0, and the sixth row we don't have any change, 0 0, just to keep copy all the values as it is. Okay, so this is how we have to write the W3 values. Okay, now we have to find out W4 from W3. Okay, W4 means 4, the number itself is there, 4 means fourth row, fourth column we have to check. Okay, now so here W3, from W3 we have to find out W4. Okay, so W4 means what we have to check, fourth row, fourth column, right? So fourth row, fourth column, this one is right. So now check where it is the ones, where is the 1 values. So our new entry will be C4 values, where it is the 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. What is the position, this one, 2 3 4, fourth position and 6th position. So our new entry is 2 4 6, and row 4, where is the 1 values, row 4, here we have the 1 value, here we have the 1 value, here we have the 1 value. So same, second position, fourth position, and 6th position. Okay, 2 4 6. So from this what we get, new entries 2 2 2 4 2 6, 4 2 4 4 4 6, and 6 2 6 4 6 6. Okay, this is our new elements, 2 2. Okay, new entries. Okay, 2 4 and 2 6, and similarly we have 4 2, 4 4 4 6, and next one 6 2, 6 4, and 6 6. So we need to insert 1 value at this position. Okay, from this we get W4 equal to, what will be the values, ma? So same as this first row, there is no change, so 1 0 1 0 1 0. In the second position, 2 2 2 4 2 6, we need to insert 1 value. So 2 2 means where, here we have to 1. Okay, 2 2 2 4 and 2 6, and remaining all values, here 0 is there, here 0 is there, here 0 is there. Okay, and next there is no change in the third row, so just keep the values, copy the values, 1 0 1 0 1 0, and fourth row we have 4 2 4 4, this position, and 4 6, and any other values 0 0 zeros only. Okay, no, there is no ones in that other positions. Next, fifth position, same, copy the values, 1 0 1 0 1 0. Next, sixth position we have 6 2 6 4 and 6 6, right? And remaining values 0 0 0, right? So this is our W4. Okay, so this is our W4. So from this W4 we have to find out W5. Okay, to how we can obtain the W5, from W4 only you will get the W5. So W5 means what we get, what we need to check, fifth row, fifth column. So I read here, see, I'm going to draw W5, that means fifth row and fifth column. Okay, so where is the 1 values now? Okay, in the next step what we have to check, in fifth step, this is our fifth step, step 5, W5 will get. Okay, how we can W5, C5. So what are the C5 values? Where is the 1 value? Here we have the 1 value, here we have the 1 value, and here we have the 1 value. So what is the position, ma? Here this is 1 and 1 2, this is 3, and this is 5, 1 3 5, right? Simple, 1 3 5. And next check R5, row 5. Row 5, where is the 1 values? Here 1 position, and third position, and fifth position, 1 3 5. Okay, so what are the values? 1 1 1 3 1 5. I think these values before we got, right? 1 1 1 3 1 5. Here we got these same values, 1 3 5 1 3 5. Okay, so I think we have the 1 values here, 1 1 1 3, and 1 5. Okay, and next 3 1 3 3, and 3 5. Okay, and next 5 1 and 5 3. These are all our new entries, but these elements already existing in our matrix. Okay, so W5 will be same as this like, because already 1 comma 1 we have the one value, and 1 comma 3 we have the one value, 1 comma 5 we have the one value. Okay, at 3 comma 1 we have the 1, and 3 comma 3 we have the 1, and 3 comma 5 we have the 1, and 5 comma 1 also we have 1, 5 comma 3 we have 1, 5 comma 5 also we have 1. So just to keep write the same matrix similarly. Okay, so this is W5. Okay, in step 5 we got. Now in step 6 what we have to do, we have to check 6th row and 6th column. So we need to get W6. So where we get the W6? From W5 we got the W6. So we have to check 6th row and 6th column. We have to check 6th row and 6th row to obtain the W6. So here check where is the one position at C6. Okay, this is step 6. Okay, step 6. Step 6, C6 values will be column 6, we have the second position, we have the fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 6 position. That means 2, 4 and 6 position. Okay, and at the row 6 we have the same values, 2, 4, 6 at the second position, at 4th position, at 6th position we have the one value. So we got the same values like in step 4 we got a 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That means 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. Already these values have one value. So we got the same matrix. So we should stop here. Okay. And anyhow rows or columns also completed. Right. Actually at position 5 only we have to complete it because we got the same values in the step 5. So our matrix is this one. Okay, from this we need to write this one also W6 because W5, W6 all the entries are equal, right? So this is also W6. So from this we have to write the new elements, transitive closure elements of. Next, what is this? Where is the 1, 1 value? Here 1, 1, 1. 1 second. I will keep it in with other color. One position. So where is the one values? We have to write those elements, those values only. Okay, these values only we have to write 1, 1, 1. Okay, these values, and remaining where is the zeros, just leave it. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me the values Firstly, just check it the values. First position we have the 1. So we have 1 comma 1. So in 1 comma 3 we have the 1. Okay, and 1 comma 5 we have the 1. Okay, and come to the second row, 2, 2 we have the 1, right? 2, 1 with 0. Okay, 2, 1 we have the 1, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 0, 2, 4 we have 2, 4 and next 2, 6 we have, right? 2, 6. And come to the third row, 3, 1 we have, 3, 3 we have, okay, and 3, 3, 5 we have. And come to the fourth row, 4, 2 we have, okay, 4, 4 we have and 4, 6 we have, okay. And come to the 5, 5, 1 position is at 1 position, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5, okay. So where in 5th row where is the 1? 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5 we have the 1 values, okay. And 6th row, come to the 6th row, 6, second position we have the 1 and 6, 4th position we have 1 and 6th position we have the 1, okay. So this is our required transitive closure. Like this we need to find out transitive closure by using Warshall's algorithm. Okay, you see how simple it is. Clear? So these are all the values these are all the elements we have in transitive closure. After finding all the steps W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, we got these elements in relation. This is our new matrix. Okay. Like this, we need to find out transitive closure. Right. So hope you understand. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Do subscribe our channel for more videos.